Unique benefits of consuming honey daily. Hello guys, welcome to another topic on lifestyle and health tips for everyday living. Today's topic is all about the unique health benefits of honey. Do you consume honey every day? If not, see some reasons why you should include it in your daily routine. Honey has potential health benefits and plays a role in many home remedies and alternative medicine treatments. It contains small amounts of some nutrients, but most people typically do not consume enough honey for it to be a significant dietary source of vitamins. Honey is a syrup liquid that honeybees make from plant nectar. Loved worldwide for its sweetness and depth of flavor, it's used in many foods and recipes. The smell, color, and taste of honey vary based on the type of flowers it's made from, so there are countless varieties available. Honey has a number of potential health benefits and plays a role in many home remedies and alternative medicine. Here are 10 health benefits of honey. Number 1. Contains a variety of nutrients. Honey is essentially pure sugar with no fat and only trace amount of protein and fiber. It contains small amounts of some nutrients, but most people typically do not consume enough honey for it to be a significant dietary source of vitamins and minerals. Still, it's worth noting that honey is rich in health-promoting plant compounds known as polyphenols. Honey is primarily composed of sugar, provides small amounts of several vitamins and minerals, and is rich in health-promoting plant compounds. Number 2. Rich in antioxidants. High-quality honey, which is minimally processed, unheated, and fresh, contains many important bioactive plant compounds and antioxidants such as flavonoids and phenolic acids. Darker varieties tend to offer more antioxidants than lighter varieties. Antioxidants help neutralize reactive oxygen species, ROS, in your body, which can build up in the cell and cause damage. This damage can contribute to conditions like premature aging, type 2 diabetes, and heart disease. As such, many of honey's health benefits are attributed to its antioxidant content. Honey contains a number of antioxidants, including phenolic acids and flavonoids. Number 3. Better for blood sugar levels than regular sugar. When it comes to blood sugar management, honey may offer some slight benefits over regular sugar. Although honey raises your blood sugar level just like other types of sugar do, the antioxidants it contains may help protect against metabolic syndrome and type 2 diabetes. Researchers have found that honey may increase the level of adiponectin, a hormone that reduces inflammation and improves blood sugar regulation. There is now some evidence that daily honey intake may improve fasting blood sugar levels in people with type 2 diabetes. However, while honey may be slightly better than refined sugar for people with diabetes, it should also be consumed in moderation. It's also important to know that certain types of honey could be diluted with plain syrup. Although honey adulteration is illegal in most countries, it remains a widespread problem. Honey may offer some protective effects related to blood sugar management, but it could still be consumed in moderation, especially by people with type 2 diabetes. Number 4. May improve heart health. Honey may also prevent heart diseases. According to one review, honey may help lower blood pressure, improve blood fat levels, regulate your heartbeat, and prevent the death of healthy cells. All factors that can improve your heart function and health. One observational study including over 4,500 people over age 40 associated a moderate honey intake with a lower risk of high blood pressure among women. A study in rats promisingly showed that honey helped protect the heart from oxidative stress. Additionally, raw honey typically contains propolis, a type of resin that bees produce from sap-producing trees and similar plants. Propolis may improve cholesterol and triglyceride levels. All told, there is no long-term human study available on honey and heart health. More research is needed to better understand honey's effect on heart health. Honey has been linked to beneficial effects on heart health, including reduced blood pressure and blood fat levels. Still, more human research is needed on the topic. Number 5. Promote burn and wound healing. Typically, honey treatment has been used to wound heals and burns since ancient Egypt. The practice is still common today. A review of 26 studies on honey and wound care found it most effective at healing partial thickness burns and wounds that have become infected after surgery. Honey is also an effective treatment for diabetes-related foot ulcers, which are serious complications that can lead to amputation. One study including people with diabetes-related foot ulcers reported a 43.3 success rate with honey as a wound treatment. In another study, topical honey healed an impressive 97% of participants' diabetes-related ulcers. Researchers theorize that honey's healing powers come from its antibacterial and anti-inflammatory effects. What's more, it may help treat other skin conditions including psoriasis and herpes lesions. Manuka honey is considered especially effective at treating burns. However, if you have a severe burn, you should seek medical attention immediately. When applied to the skin, honey can be a part of an effective treatment plan for burns, wounds, and many other skin conditions. It's particularly effective for diabetes-related foot ulcers. Number 6. May help suppress coughing in children. Coughing is a common problem for children with upper respiratory infections. These infections can affect sleep and quality of life for both children and parents. However, common cough medications are not always effective and can have side effects. Interestingly, honey may be a good alternative, with evidence indicating that it's an effective treatment. One review of several studies on honey and cough in children found that honey appears more effective than diphenhydramine for cough symptoms. It may also help reduce coughing during cold weather. Another review noted that it may also improve sleep quality among children with coughs as well as their parents. Further, unlike some cough medicines, honey doesn't have any side effects. However, never give honey to children under 1 year of age due to the risk of botulism. For children over age of 1, honey can act as a natural and safe cough suppressant. Some studies show that it's even more effective than certain cough medicines. Number 7. Easy to add to your diet. Honey is easy to add to your diet. To get a small boost of antioxidants from honey, you can use it in a way that you typically use sugar. It's excellent for sweetening plain yogurt, coffee, or tea. You can also use it in cooking and baking. As a home remedy, it can be applied directly to minor burns or wounds or given orally for coughs. You can use honey to sweeten yogurt or beverages, as an ingredient in many recipes, or as a home remedy for minor wounds and coughing. Because honey is sugar, try to limit your intake. Honey offers several potential health benefits thanks to the beneficial compounds it contains, such as antioxidants and propolis. It's a great alternative to sugar, but only consume it in moderation, as it still behaves like sugar in your body. Number 8. Natural home remedy for dandruff. Do you know how beneficial honey can be for hair? Honey is one of the best natural home remedies for dandruff. It not only provides nourishment to dry hair, but it also gives you smooth and soft hair. You can also use honey and lavender with green tea to prevent hair fall. All you need to do is mix tablespoons of dabur honey with equal amounts of vegetable oil and apply it onto your hair. Keep this mask on for 15 minutes and then rinse it off before you shampoo. Number 9. Helps with gum disease. Honey's antibacterial and infection-healing properties help in treating and healing wounds. Teeth and gum diseases like gingivitis, bleeding, and plaque can be treated to a great extent with regular use of honey. Honey is known to release antiseptic hydrogen peroxide, which acts as an antibacterial agent that prevents the growth of bacteria. Experts advise the use of raw honey mixed with water to be used as mouthwash. Also, rubbing honey directly on affected gums gives instant relief from pain and inflammation. Number 10. Acts as natural sleeping aid. Having trouble falling asleep? You should try drinking this beverage made of warm milk and honey just before you sleep. For centuries, people have used this drink to help them sleep. This beverage is fairly easy to make. All you need to do is add a teaspoon of dabur honey into a glass of hot milk, Or add 1 to 2 tablespoons of dabur honey to a cup of chamomile tea and sip to induce sleep. Here are 10 important facts on why she should be consuming honey daily. Please comment and give us your take on consuming honey. Like, share, and subscribe to watch more amazing health topics to help improve on your daily well-being and making the right decisions. BCG Health.